Welcome back to another important and useful video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top free video editing software without watermarks that are completely free to use. But before diving into the video, I kindly request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and give this video a like. Your support means the world to me. Let's start with our first software, HitFilm. It's completely free to use and comes packed with all the professional features you need. With HitFilm, you can create stunning edits and even work on high-quality professional projects all without any watermarks. It's perfect for anyone looking to take their video editing to the next level. Let's move on to our next video editor. At number 2, we have Shotcut, one of the most popular free video editing software options available. With Shotcut, you can easily edit 4K videos and perform a wide range of professional tasks. Let's move to our next video editor, Kdenlive. It's one of the most popular free video editing software options out there. With Kdenlive, you can edit 4K videos seamlessly and access a wide range of professional features all without any watermarks. The best part, it's completely free to use and works great for both beginners and advanced editors. Let's move on to our next software, CapCut. This is one of the most important and useful video editors available today. Let's move to our next video editor, Olive. It's one of the most popular video editing tools out there, and it's perfect for creating professional quality videos. With Olive, you can edit your videos seamlessly thanks to its powerful features and user-friendly interface. These are some of the most popular and free video editing software options available. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and supporting me.